Hello, I am Rupam Sardar, Assistant Professor of Engineering College. Today we are going to discuss UGC NET and our discussion matter is computer arithmetic. What kinds of question comes in computer arithmetic? Question number 1, see here, a shift register can be used for a serial to parallel conversion. B, parallel to serial conversion. Digital delay time. D, all of these. E, none of these. To discuss about this question, I have to focus on what is a shift register. A shift register, what it do? If it is 4 and left shift, then 1 0 0 0, it's a left shift. That means in the left shifts is become 1 0 0 0 0 0. What this one? Or in right shifts it become 0 0 1 0. So this is the shifter. So now if the number is serial or parallel, so we can obviously make it parallel by the shifter and serial to parallel, the shifter and parallel to serial conversion. That is also can be done by the shifter. Delay means a shift register, that is the shift register as we doing here. Shift registers are connected. Shift registers are all connected with a clock. So if I want to make delay of this shift register, want to make the delay some 10 nanosecond I want to set, after that I set 15 nanosecond, then it is also correct. So A, B, C are correct, so all are correct, none of these. So answer is D. Number 2 question. Semiconductor memory is a somewhat large than magnetic core memory. Number B, a volatile memory. Number C, somewhat slower than magnetic memory. D, all, E, none. So now your here look at the board, that is the memory hierarchy is the tape or secondary memory, RAM or primary memory, ROM also be there. Here is cache and here is register. So semiconductor memory, obviously semiconductor memory is the kind of register type of memory. So semiconductor memory cannot be large than the memory. It is incorrect. It cannot be larger than, because the largest on the tape I have told in this hierarchy I have told that it is the largest, so it is not can be larger than the memory. Okay, somewhat slower than, no, semiconductor memory speed is fast. Speed, according to the speed, this is the speed factor here. So according to the speed, it is also false. So which one is correct? Volatile memory, yes. Semiconductor memory have to refresh. That is called DRAM, dynamic memory RAM, dynamic random access memory, which we should refresh by time to time to store the value. That's why it is a volatile memory. So answer is C.
B.
Oh, answer is B. Answer is B. Okay. Now, third question is, which of the following is a universal gate? Which of the following is a universal gate? A and B XOR, C or D NAND, and E none of this. Okay. Now tell me, what is the universal gate? What is the definition of an universal gate? An universal gate is a type of gate where we can design all kinds of combinational and sequential circuits. So there are only three are there. One is NOR, second is NAND, and third one is multiplexer. So NOR is not present here, multiplexer is not present here, or NAND is present here. So the answer is D. Coming to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4. The logic one in positive logic system is represented by zero, lower voltage level, higher voltage level, negative voltage, and E none. So now in a positive logic 1, what do you mean by positive logic 1? That is the value C. C is the value and C is the 1. And if this is the axis of voltage and VCC, it's upcoming to V to VT, VT, and when up to VT, here is 1. This is the crossing point. Threshold voltage, when it will cross, it will be 1. So C is 1 when the VT, so 0 to we are increasing our value and we are going to the 1. So 0, here is 0 1, no, it is not correct. Lower voltage is not correct. Higher voltage level is correct. Negative voltage, is that negative voltage? No, it is not correct. It is not correct. It is not correct. It is not correct. So the answer is C. Good morning, sir.